Hi, I'm Ashley Wally, founder of Jet City Housing. We are a boutique corporate housing and short-term apartment rental company with properties in Seattle and San Francisco. One of the most common questions we get is how corporate housing pricing works, and that is the focus of today's video. The first thing to consider when you look at what goes into corporate housing pricing is the base rent. When you see a rent price advertised online, that's going to be for a 12 to 14-month lease. Shorter-term leases are going to have higher base rents because the apartment complexes themselves take on additional risk by having turnover and possible vacancy shorter than a year. Next, we think about what it takes to get an apartment up and running. That includes both utilities, internet, and cable services. These services have activation fees and setup fees that are factored into the overall cost, along with the cost of the services themselves. Of course, then we have to furnish the apartment. Couches, beds, desks, kitchen furnishings, linens, all of those things cost money, and as everyone knows, setting up a brand new apartment can be an expensive endeavor. We also think about what types of amenities make the difference for our employees who are coming into these units. That can mean pet rental fees and pet deposits or parking. It can also mean weekly cleaning. We also factor in the logistics, such as moving costs and business liability insurance. Business liability insurance is required by apartment complexes for corporate leases, and it's important for everybody because it makes sure that the tenants are not on the hook if something goes wrong. There are a lot of things that get factored into corporate housing prices, and it's certainly not the cheapest option to go with. However, it can be an important part of a relocation strategy and can really make the difference when recruiting employees from out of state. I hope this video has been helpful, and if Jet City Housing can do anything to help you in the Seattle and San Francisco area, please check us out at jetcityhousing.com.